Hey Panthers and Panther parents, this is your math grade weekly breakdown. I think it's important that we're all aware of exactly what assignments are being counted towards our virtual learning grade and just how much those assignments are worth. The first assignment that I will be discussing is participation, and you're going to notice this exact same criteria and participation grade amongst all four subjects. And how it's going to work is the students are able to receive 3 points a day, and those 3 points can be earned by the first point will be by being present for our live meeting. The second one will be if you are following our virtual learning expectations, including keeping your camera on during the meeting, making sure you're in a nice quiet space and you're staying focused, and also making sure that you're not browsing the web during our meet. And the third and final point you are going to earn for participation will come from you answering a question either out loud in participating uh, out loud, or you are answering a question in the chat for the day. So if we do 3 points a day, that's going to equivalent to 12 points a week for your whole group math participation. I'm going to jump down to the bottom of this table and just hit on the small group participation while we're on that subject. The small group participation, I will be meeting each student per week 2 times a week in math. I have sent home the small group schedule, and you are able to earn 4 points a day or 8 points a week in your small group participation. And how you're going to earn that grade is if you are present for your small group session, you get 2 points. And if you respond out loud or in the chat during that small group session, you will automatically receive those other 2 points. So 4 points per day for those 2 days is going to be a total of 8 points per week. So we've got 20 points a week in math and participation alone. I think it's very important to point out to the parents and the students that while you may be losing participation points throughout the week, you are able to be earning extra participation points by, talking out loud a lot and participating a lot in the class. So if you maybe lose a virtual learning expectation point on Monday because your camera was off, then know that by on Thursday or later on in that week, if you really are participating in that subject, then you're able to earn extra credit points, which can help make up for lost points earlier in the week. Now getting into our actual assignments, the Khan Academy assignments are vital. The reason being is that our NHA math curriculum is directly affiliated with Khan Academy, which is awesome because they have created content videos. They also have our exercises or our practice problems that we see in our book. We're finding those online. So while we're teaching the actual lesson live and whole group, the independent aspect every day is going to be to log on to Khan Academy, finding the video that goes, well, I'll be assigning the video that goes along with the lesson that we just learned and the practice problems. Each day they have to do 4 problems. And the best thing about Khan Academy is that if you get stuck, there is a button that you press if I'm stuck, and then it gives you the link that will take you back to that content video so you can rewatch, and it can also show you an example problem. This is really going to help the students during that independent time when I'm with other small groups and I'm unable to help. The second assignment that I want to talk about is the digital word wall. This is located on your student's Google Classroom. And what this assignment is each week we are releasing some math vocab that your student must be writing the name, the definition, and finding a picture that helps them remember the definition online and attaching it to their digital word wall. I will be checking it every single Friday. The students are not turning this assignment in each week. I'm just going to be viewing their assignment because this document is going to be ever changing. We're going to be constantly adding in new words, so it's ever changing. So we will not be actually physically turning it in, but I am noticing it or checking it every week. The last thing I want to talk about is your weekly quiz. Every week you're going to be doing a topic quiz, and this will be the only assignment that is actually graded on accuracy in math. So making sure you're taking your time and getting onto EdSite by Friday each week and taking that weekly quiz.